Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with
Kaya.
Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. I'm not going to twerk. A young lady by the name of Kaya, she's 22 years old. She decided that she was going to have a cooking channel. So she started her journey in July. By December, Kaya had went viral, and it caused another gender war between men and women. What do you think about Kaya, Adrian?
I think she's cute. I think her whole little idea is I love it. I think it's a good it's good, and she can cook. She look like she got some cooking skills. She's a they kept saying putting emphasis on the fact that she's a natural, no enhancements on her at all, but yeah, I like her. I like her little idea. I wish I could do it.
Nisha West.
I like her. I don't have no problem with it. I think that's another way of her as she was getting her views on TikTok. I like it. She's a good content creator. She found her niche, which is cooking. A lot of people always say young girls don't know how to cook, and she's proven people wrong. Like, yes, I do. And not only can I cook, but I look good doing it.
Yes.
And, she got people's attention. So I like it. That's what I thought.
They say that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, correct? Yeah. So there it is right there. Mm-hmm. They say that you're supposed to cook with love. Who doesn't, if they're cooking, be in the kitchen with their little music on and doing their dance? The dance just happens to be twerking. And twerking ain't going nowhere.
Nope.
Yeah.
And she only gives them about 10 seconds of twerking. She's not bent over showing the backside of her vagina. So I do too like cooking with Kaya. Here's the thing. She said, I'm coming to get them coins. How do I come and get them coins? There's hundreds of thousands of cooking channels on YouTube. What do I do? First of all, I'm going to come up with a little jingle. And she did that.
Yeah.
So the men say that they like their women to dress modestly. I couldn't even get that out because it's such cap. Right. They like their women to dress modestly. So she knew there was cap too. And she decided that she was going thirst trap. Okay. And she came up with her little cute, risque little outfits. To prove them wrong. Then, so that was part of the little fantasy of her marketing. And so then she said, what can I do to the ladies? I can feed into their insecurities, and I can say, I can take your man with this meal. Would your man like this meal? And they fell for it. Marketing genius.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Absolutely. I love it. And here's the thing. They got, I had sent Nisha a clip. This was Cooking with Kenny.
Oh, Lord.
And Kenny had on the gray sweats.
Oh, yeah.
Put a sock.
Oh, yeah.
He had to put a sock down there to enhance himself, and he had a plate. And his woman came out. She was like, what are you doing? And he was like, I'm trying to get this money. Okay. And he had a plate out, and she said, you didn't even cook that. Right? And she was like, what is this in your pants? So it's caused a frenzy of, although they were trying to get her banned and shut down, that now everybody is cooking. And they actually had a girl that, I think her name was Kai.
Okay.
That they were comparing them to, and they were saying that Kaya was more approachable than Kai, because Kai makes her booty clap every time she serves her food.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
I think it's a good thing. I think it's causing other women to want to get in the kitchen because they feel threatened by a young lady that their dude probably will never meet. So I saw one video where this girl was like, taste this macaroni and cheese, and her boyfriend tasted it, and he was like, it don't look that good, but it tastes good. And she was like, is it better than Kaya's? And he's looking like, what? And I'm like, he don't know. He's never had Kaya's cooking. And here's the thing that I laugh about. We don't even know if she really can cook.
True.
She only have about 35 videos, so she talk about cooking for your man, but we don't know if Kaya cooks every day. But I think it's great because young women need to learn their way around the kitchen, enjoy preparing healthy meals
Mm-hmm.
for themselves and their man if they have one. Yeah, I'm digging Kaya.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the thing. The morality police. Oh, like Adrian said, yeah, she's alright. She alright. Yeah, she didn't have to twerk. Where was the morality police when Meg Thee Stallion and Glorilla was out there twerking for Kamala? So y'all pick and choose what y'all want to do. Y'all let these men get on you, and now you upset instead of you getting some little tips or saying that I could cook better than her. But here's the thing: half of y'all can't cook anyway. If it ain't an air fryer or microwave, y'all can't cook.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all done burnt all the stick off the non-stick pots because y'all cooking on high. Y'all don't know what the word simmer means. So y'all mad because the little girl is cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, get in the kitchen.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I like air fryers though, so
I do too.
I'm not mad at
Very
that.
convenient.
Air fryers come in handy when you don't want to cook a big old.
Keyword you said handy.
Yeah.
They don't even know at the bottom that thing at the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a broiler.
Yeah. True.
You know.
True.
You don't know what temperature to put your food on in the oven. These girls don't know how to cook. If it ain't DoorDash or something, they don't know how to get in there and make nothing from scratch. And they say, you put your foot in it. You cook with love, so you be in there doing your little thing because
exactly.
They gonna like this. I have a girlfriend that she makes her own pasta sauce, and then she goes out to sell it. And so she said it takes her 11 hours to cook this sauce, and she has to stir it 30 minutes. So we went out into Huntington Beach and to sell her sauce, and this one man, she sells 32 ounces for $20. This one man, so she had some sourdough bread so they could dip
it in.
This man damn near ate up a whole half of a jar in front of us. So the little table was like in front of where you guys were. And so I'm sitting in there, I'm looking at him and I'm smiling and he just a smacking right. So I said, doesn't it make you feel good when a man enjoys your cooking? And she said, yeah. So we just sitting there looking at him, right? And he just is smacking. He said, what did you say? I said, it feels good when a man likes your cooking. And he just turned beet red, right? But you do feel good when a man likes your cooking.
Do.
And your man comes home when he knows some good food at home. So,
True.
VH1 gave her flowers. They gave her a shout out. Little girl, do your thing.
Mm-hmm.
What she was over there with what's that girl, baby daddy?
DDG.
DDG gonna answer the door with his shirt off.
Yeah, she cooked a meal with him.
Yeah, she said, put your shirt on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so she don't want y'all men.
No, that's just for show.
Yeah.
That's just for show. But I'm not mad at her. I think anybody in our community that's doing something that can make them successful, I'm for it. And the fact that she's doing it from like cooking, I mean, that's a win-win in my book, especially at her age, because I want to see, the younger people. I want to see them do better than my generation. So shout out to her.
Yeah.
Final thoughts.
Kaya, get your paper, girl. I love it. I think it's she ain't hurt nobody. She ain't pushing no drugs. She ain't doing nothing. It's just clean fun. And I love it. And I say continue. If other people try to bite off of it, let them bite. I know I sit at home all the time, and when I'm cooking, I pretend like I'm on TV or whatever. So I'm glad that she came up with this. Is good, and I'm proud of her. Good job, Kaya.
Yeah, same thing. I want to see her win. I want to see us all win. The gender wars, I just wish would end. I'm rooting for her. Keep cooking. Do your twerking too.
Okay.
Like, I'm not mad at you.
Yeah. The men say they don't like it. They'll watch, but they don't like it. They, that's not the woman that they want. But they will use it as a sense of division. She says she ain't stopping. Don't stop, girl. Do your thing.
Exactly.
BGP. Like, share, subscribe. Until the next episode, you know what to do. We out.
Bye.